Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Cooking myself another steak, or some meat anyway, in my all glass state-of-the-art air fryer. All glass and stainless steel. No Teflon, no PFAs, no PFEs, no BPAs, no microplastics, just glass, stainless steel, meat and salt. I'll put a link in the description for this very air fryer, and the only type of salt I use on my meat. This air fryer, simple to use. It's got two knobs, no special programming, no high-tech nonsense. You got a timer and you got a temperature control. That's it. Less than $100. I think I got this one for $89 on Amazon. And as I already stated, I will put a link in the description to one just like it. They may be out of the white ones, but I know they got some other colors. But this right here, gentlemen, is a safe air fryer. Doesn't have that traditional pan with the Teflon coated grill in it. This one is just stainless steel and glass. Almost ready. Almost ready. I like my steaks rare or medium rare. I don't know how everyone eats your meat, but I like my steaks medium rare. Just slightly seared on the outside, but still rare on the inside. And I think we're almost ready. Yeah, about a minute or so. I can smell it. It smells incredible. Come on, baby. Time for lunch. Where are my cats? Usually they're jumping up. There it goes. Oh yeah. I'm simple. Just lift the handle and take the top off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is good right there. Ready to eat. Let me get my plate and I'll be right back. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Medium rare steak cooked in my safe all glass and stainless steel air fryer. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit.